Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to take an old pallet that I had broke down and make a Christmas tree. The trees are small, but they can make a good addition to your Christmas decorations. I began by removing all the nails from the pallet wood. I also have a video on how I break down my pallets. Less than about 10 minutes without power tools. The body of the tree is 3 pieces of wood cut at a 45-degree angle. The bottom is 12 inches, then the middle is 8.5 inches, and then the very top is 4.5 inches. The base to attach the tree to is just 1 piece of wood, and it is about 14 inches in length. The pallet wood was very dirty, so after I got all the pieces cut, I just went back with some Murphy's oil soap and a brush and washed them really well, set them out in the sun to dry. Now I'm in the house and it's time to decorate the tree. To do this, I just took some wrapping paper that I had left over from last year and decoupaged it on different sections of the tree. To decoupage, I just used Mod Podge, and instead of cutting the paper, I tore it, so it gave it a little bit more of a rustic look. After the Mod Podge was dry, I just went back with my hand sander and sanded the pieces lightly so that they look worn. To hold the tree together, I had some scrap wood and I also had some old shims. So I cut them at about 6 inches and then just nailed them in with some finishing nails. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to do a DIY project of your own.